What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for sticking with me through thick and thin. I appreciate every single one of you. Due to the rain this weekend, unfortunately, there will be no Lowrider content. As you guys know, I usually post up flyers for every weekend, but this weekend I waited to the last minute to say something because, just in case there was a change of, of the weather, change of plans. But unfortunately, everything that was scheduled for this weekend has been pretty much canceled or rescheduled. So since I have no footage, I have no live streams for you guys, I hope that this will be of interest to you guys. So this video will be how I made my my intro beat, for when I start off the videos, and you guys like that Alaniz beats, Alaniz beats. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did that beat. It's nothing complicated. It's not something sophisticated like other beats that I can make, but I hope it's at least a little interesting for you guys. So with that being said, this is my MIDI keyboard. I haven't used it in the longest, since I haven't made beats in forever, and I'm using my old laptop where I have FL Studio and all of my old files. So with that being said, guys, let's get it cracking. So let's start off with the drums. I pretty much have everything laid out because I already made the beat, right? But I'm just going to show you the process. So as you can see on the screen, what I have open is FL Studio 11. Yep, 11. For those of you guys that keep up with the versions of DAWs, I still mess with FL 11. I think they're up to like 25 now. But like I said, since I haven't used or made beats in in years, this is where I have my old files. Plus, a lot of VSTs don't work with like modern laptops, machines, or Windows. There you go. Anyways, with that being said, like I said, I do have my drums ready. Let me see. Let me try to get that louder for you guys. So, simple hi-hats. I layer my claps, so that's what you're gonna hear. This is the first one, second, third, and I also layer my kicks. And that's pretty much it. Now, as far as the main melody, I have to there you go. You guys already know, like, you can already hear the little rhythm. So let's get it started. I think I'll start off with the drums. That might be a little too loud. I'll adjust it right now. But let's see if I remember this correctly, because like I said, I haven't done this in years and I'm a little rusty, so forgive me, guys. The tempo's at 98. For those of you that don't know what a tempo is, that's the speed of the beat. So now that might sound a little off. Like I said, I'm a little rusty. So let's move on to the next. Let's go to the claps now. Okay, way better. So let's just leave that like that. Let's go to the next one. Let's go through to the third one. I might as well just quantize this shit too. So now everything's aligned. Actually, that wasn't that bad. So there's that. Now for the rhythm. Now I was thinking trying something, adding more to it, but I'm not sure. I don't know, guys, something like that. But now with that being said, let's listen to the finished product.
Alaniz, the sound of the West Coast.
And that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Excuse me for being a little rusty in all this. I know it was kind of whack, but I did what I could. Thank you for everybody that likes and subscribe. And give me a thumbs up and share the channel. Let everybody know this is the channel, the authority on all Lowrider coverage, footage, everything. So much love and respect, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next live stream. Hopefully the weather changes soon and we'll get back on track. Much love and respect. Alaniz,